What's good, y'all? What's good, YouTube? Pariah. Enter my realm real quick. Man, look, before I get into today's video, my main goal is to send a message. That's it. To my tribe, family, friends, brothers, to whoever this platform touch. My goal is to send a message with every video I upload. If there is no message, then I failed. As long as you get the message, then hey, I did my job. Now look, the top of one hill is the bottom of another mountain. Life is not supposed to be easy. Life is a series of ups and downs. You're gonna be up, and then life is gonna kick you right the fuck back down to your dick. And it's up to you to pull yourself together to climb up that mountain again, bro. It's not about, bro. It's about your it's all in the mind. It's about your attitude. You feel me? When you fall, can you pick yourself back up? If you don't fall, then you're not gonna have the skill set to pick yourself back up. You feel me? You have to go through the fire. If you don't go through the fire, then you won't know right from. You will not learn. You're gonna be ignorant. You feel me? Those who don't understand true pain will never understand true peace. How can you have peace if you never suffered? You won't know what peace is. You're just living. An easy life is not worth living anyway. You feel me? Who wants to play a game on easy? Who wants to play a game on easy mode? No one gives about anything that was easy to them. A female, if it was an easy female, nobody cares about it. You're not gonna care about a female who's a thought. You're not gonna care about a prize that was given to everyone. You're not, bro. You have to take the risk. You feel me? Pain builds character. You feel me? Strong men create easy times. Easy time make weak. I'm keeping it around. Hard times make strong men. Strong men make easy times. Easy time make weak men. The goal is to be as strong as possible. Life is gonna throw challenges at you so you can grow. If you're at the top of a mountain, a hill, and you get kicked back down, that means life is trying to teach you to pick yourself back up. You got more learning to do. That's it. No ifs, ands, or buts, bro. I suffered. Me and my brother, bro, we suffered. Everyone can relate themselves back to a time where they suffered. They don't know if they was gonna make it to tomorrow. You feel me? And I'm pretty sure some of y'all, whoever watched this, I'm pretty sure that there was a moment in your time where you wanted to get off this planet. But for some reason, you still here. You learn through that adversity. And now you can speak about it. Now you know better. Now you learn your lesson. We don't take losses, we turn them into lessons. Therefore, I can never lose. As long as I don't quit, then I'm winning. And that's the whole point, bro. It's hard being a champion. When you make it to that top spot, you're gonna constantly be tested. And you have to overcome, you feel me? Now, of course, the end goal is success. The end goal is to be the best version of you. Anything that's external from you is never gonna bring you happiness. It's never gonna bring you joy. You feel me? The big house with the white picket fence, 2 kids in the dark, bro, that doesn't really make you happy at all. Most marriages fail anyway. Marriage is not about love. Marriage is about business. Wealth. That's it. Get the idea of love and love, bro. None of that matters. You feel me? What matters is you accomplishing being the best version of you. Accomplishing that. Constant progression, constant improvement. That's it, bro. At the end of the day, we have to keep pushing. At the end of the day, life is gonna have its ups and downs, so be prepared. You're going to fail, so pick yourself back up. You're going to fall, pick yourself back up. You're going to bleed, patch it up, bro. And that's what's it. You're accountable for your own life. You feel me? If you fail, it was on you. If you win, congratulations. Pat yourself on the back because it was on you. Focus on what you can control. You feel me? When you ride the roller coaster of life, you're going to have your ups and your downs. You're not going to win every battle, but you're going to win the war if you don't quit. Make proper decisions. Make the right choices, the right things happen. Make the wrong choices, you suffer the consequences. But the meaning of the quote, the top of one hill is the bottom of another mountain, means that, okay, you're going to have ups and downs. You're going to be at the top, you're going to get kicked down again. But the next time you reach the top, it's going to be higher than that one hill that you was just on. And now it's a mountain. You feel me? You got to keep elevating through life. But that's the message. That's what the quote means. You feel me? But no, though, look. Just make sure y'all keep taking care of yourself. Make sure y'all drink your water. Be the best version of yourself that y'all can be. You feel me? I'm Pariah. You know, come on.